Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to blur edges in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Canva application at first, and then after opening the Canva, just simply tap into this plus sign at the bottom, and from there you just simply have to select the media in which you want to blur the edges. I'm selecting this picture of Keanu Reeves, and then after selecting the image, just simply tap to edit image at the top right. And now after tapping into there, you will have to wait a moment, and then this effects option will appear at the bottom. Just simply tap into that option, and now it will give you the option of effects in here, and there you will see the blur. Just simply select the blur option, and now you just simply have to select this brush option first and then click to add blur, and then you just simply have to select the brush size. I'm selecting brush size to 50, and after that you just manually have to select the edges of the image which you want to blur out. This way, select the edges in order to blur, and the edges of the image will successfully be blurred out into your media that you have provided. This way you can easily blur the edges of the image into Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.